Okay, so today I'm gonna do a review on the red lizard, and this is how it looked like after installing it. So this 3D printer is a Volex Lab S2. Here's a direct drive. Um, here's the old one. Yeah. So I want to upgrade. I want to upgrade the hot end to this red lizard. One complication that I run into is that you see this part right here, this attachment, the top part here. This one is different from that. The red lizard K1 hot end, it's the tip here is a little bit too big. As you can see, that one's a little bit smaller. So what I do is that I take the two screw that hold this top here, I take that part off, and then I go into FreeCAD and I measure all the measurement of this original one, and I make an attachment. This is my attachment, and so as you can see, that right there is the red lizard. I had to put my original heating element and also the heat sensor. I had to put those two on, but you see the with the red housing, that little piece right there, it's dark so you can't be able to see it, but that piece right there, that gap, yeah, you see that one, that gap right there is this piece right here. Okay, so it's just a plug and play. Once you 3D print the attachment, you just put those two screw back on, unscrew that. You see that screw? Unscrew it, drop the old one, put the new one with the attachment here on. See the two screw holes on the back. After that, just push it back in, screw that screw, screw that screw, yeah, screw that screw on, and you're good to go, and everything should be okay. It's running pretty good. Does not have an issue at all. So I'll be keeping you guys update after maybe a couple weeks of running it. I'll update if there's any complication or any modification. I'll update.